Experience a whole new way to take photos and videos on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Tap on the Capture and View icon. You can see the preview of your photos and the final results at the same time. You can easily fold the phone to switch to Capture View mode. So there's no need to go back and forth between the camera and the gallery anymore. You can instantly delete them without entering the gallery. Optimize your hands-free videos with auto tracking. In camera mode, switch to video. Tap on the auto framing icon to activate auto framing. With auto framing, you can now keep your frame centered when taking a hands-free video of yourself or with friends. In camera mode, tap on the cover screen icon and your photo preview will appear on the front. With dual preview, you can use both the main and cover screen at the same time to preview your shot. You can also show the timer on the cover screen, so the person you're taking a photo of will be ready just in time. You can take selfies with the high-resolution rear camera while checking your preview on the cover screen. Seamlessly switch between the 3 camera lenses. Enjoy a unique camera experience and capture your best moments with the Galaxy Z Fold 2.